Tired of lag ruining your chicken dinners? Let's dive into fixing those frustrating lag spikes in PUBG, so you can dominate the battlefield. First up, your network. Run a speed test online to see if your internet speed matches what you're paying for. Anything below 10 megabits per second can cause real issues. Ditch the Wi-Fi. If you can, a wired Ethernet connection provides a stable, faster connection that minimizes packet loss, crucial for real-time gameplay. Now, let's tweak those graphics settings. Lowering them can dramatically improve performance. Start by setting your overall graphic quality to medium or even low. Disable resource-intensive options like anti-aliasing and shadows. They eat up processing power. Dive into advanced settings. Reduce texture quality and effects detail for a noticeable boost in FPS without sacrificing too much visual fidelity. Experiment to find the sweet spot for your system. Time to optimize your system. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Chrome, Discord, even Spotify can hog resources that PUBG needs to run smoothly. Use Task Manager to check what's eating up your CPU and memory. Outdated drivers can cripple performance. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website such as Nvidia and download the latest drivers for your GPU. These updates often include performance optimizations specifically for games like PUBG PC. And there you have it. Implement these tips and get back to enjoying lag-free PUBG battles. Remember to experiment with settings to find what works best for your setup. Now go get that chicken dinner.